Hi guys.
Thumbnail real quick. Okay. So I know I've been very inactive on my channel. And you guys have been getting at me.
Yeah,
for uploading. And today I'm with my sister, as you guys all know.
Yes.
And
I look like a freak.
I should do an update. I am
Here's my new
5 months pregnant and at my mama's house.
Yeah. I'm dipping it in some barbecue. Trying to make it look good for the camera.
What should we talk about?
Just random stuff.
Here's my ranch. I always have ranch with my french fries because it's the best sauce for french fries.
Barbecue's pretty decent too.
I look bald-headed, but I got a bun up here. And it's a little
This
because
is my glossy leaf. I got it from leaftown.org.
anyways, are you eating my chicken nuggets? You wanted a Whopper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We got to open the Whopper. Who's a mukbanger you watch?
I watched Be Love Life. That's her.
Her and her son are hilarious.
That's her app. Oh, I watched this couple. They always do like seafood stuff too, but it's like hot Cheeto crab, and it looks so freaking good. It's so freaking good. The hot Cheeto crab. I want to make some, but I know I got money for that crab. No, that was disgusting.
To do. French fries.
But what about you? What's new with you now?
I'm just working as a head housekeeper. That sounds like a good life.
Wow. A head housekeeper?
Yeah, so sometimes I'm like in charge. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself.
No, you need to speak up. I feel like you can't
I'm
hear
sorry, I keep looking at myself. I'm not used to the cameras.
Oh my god.
You know everybody dips everything in ranch. I was watching this guy. I forgot his name. But he eats a bunch of food and he dips like the whole sandwich in ranch. I'm like, bro.
I do that
How
too.
much cholesterol?
But I don't dip it in ranch. I dip the ranch on the stuff. Like I'll pour it on the stuff.
Mm.
You need to like, do you have your phone so you can look up questions or something? Because
Oh yeah.
you need to.
Samsung
Not
Galaxy S10 Plus.
Not try to flex. Oh yeah.
And a reporter to beep. What is your favorite family vacation? Yeah, my favorite trip, which was real, was Disneyland when we were young.
That's like the only trip we ever been on.
No, we went to the beach.
Do you count those as trips though?
Yeah,
That's
'cause
like-
that's not our house.
Regular rich people outings.
Well, we're not rich people, so that makes no sense.
Yeah, probably Disneyland. Or something.
Okay. Next. What are your favorite things to do?
I like to sleep and eat. Yep. And watch Netflix if there's anything good on.
I like to watch YouTube and play Minecraft and play The Sims sometimes, but mostly Minecraft. Yeah, I'm a gamer girl.
All the boys hit around. She's single, ready to mingle. 22
Only
years
if
young.
Only if you play Minecraft. Because Minecraft is
Wait,
fun.
are you 22?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, I'm 47. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Hopefully this doesn't get copyrighted, because everything does.
Yeah, you sing like that one line.
You never know, Jenna. You never know. Our dog, Kobe, he's looking at us. You can't tell because he's not on camera.
He's camera shy.
But he's not food shy. your favorite old TV show?
You know what I was thinking about? I was thinking about Camp Laszlo. I was literally thinking about that earlier today.
That show's so good.
I was like, I'm not sure if that's on Disney Plus or something.
But that's on Cartoon Network.
So it's probably not on Disney Plus.
I like Camp Laszlo.
But I don't know if that was my
remember
favorite.
Chowder?
Of course. I seen that just recently.
Fish looks just decent.
You know what my shit was? Mine was
You're cursing.
What's it called with the girl that was a robot and she was a teenager?
My life as a teenage robot.
Yeah. My eyes couldn't.
Welcome to my life
So-
as a teenage robot. My teenage robot life.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting my cramps out here.
What you get for eating fast food every day?
That's what I get for freaking having a baby inside me.
We only film mukbangs like every other day. So it keeps us on track and keeps us healthy. My favorite,
Your childhood TV show.
Tom and Jerry. I have to say. But besides Tom and Jerry on Cartoon Network, Chowder was pretty good. Adventure Time, but that's not really, I guess it's old now.
But you weren't a child.
Ooh, Oswald.
Are you sure it wasn't Ubi with the hand?
Oh yeah, Ooby. Ooby. Ooby, 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 Ooby. That's a good show.
These people probably have no idea what we're talking about, but
Yeah, it was kind of a fever dream, but probably real. Who is your hero?
myself.
Wow.
No. This is my boy Ubi. Ubi? I
It
forgot.
sounded like an old man playing that. No, it was a middle-aged man.
Well, what's the next question? What's your favorite basketball team?
Mine doesn't exist because I don't like basketball.
Games that I've been to.
Speak up.
Okay, Jeepers. My favorite basketball team is probably the Portland Trailblazers because that's the only games that I've been to. Actually, no, it's probably the Toronto Raptors because that's my husband's team. Drake is my husband, if you guys didn't know.
Well, everybody, this has been a fun mukbang, but as Jimmy Neutron always says, had a blast.